नमस्कार। आज हम एमपीपीएससी 2020 का एग्जाम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, एनालाइज करने वाले हैं कि किस सेक्शन से क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो रहते हैं। एंड इन द एंड आई विल शेयर द होल आंसर की विद यू। एंड फर्स्टली लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस। सो हियर यू कैन सी ये एग्जाम 2 आवर्स का होता है, 100 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, 200 मार्क्स का रहता है। एमपीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में 2 पेपर होते हैं इन अ सिंगल डे। फर्स्ट लाइक यूपीएससी, फर्स्ट इज on GS, that is General Studies, and second is on CSET. So let's start with the questions without any delay. So our first question is, Panna district of Madhya Pradesh is famous for which mineral? Answer is diamond. Next question, Chambal Canal irrigation project is related with? Answer is Yamuna Basin. Next, Jawahar Sagar hydroelectricity project is situated on which river? Answer is Chambal River. After that, main crop of Madhya Pradesh is wheat. Next question, which one of the following is not commercial crop? Sugarcane, cotton, banana, bajra. Answer is bajra. Next question, match the following states and their respective chief ministers who became prime minister of India. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत ज्यादा पूछे जाते हैं with the list from the list of CMs, governors, prime minister, presidents, chief election commissioners. All these lists are very important for MPPSC prelims. PV Narasimha Rao, Undivided Andhra Pradesh; Morarji Desai, Bombay; HD Devgoda, Karnataka; Charan Singh, Undivided Uttar Pradesh; and Narendra Modi we all know from Gujarat. So if we see कि Gujarat, Narendra Modi is from Gujarat, so it is definitely true as it is given in option also. So we have to decide for these four. So the correct answer is D. Next, which of the following type of judge or judges can be appointed in Supreme Court of India? Ad hoc judge or additional judge? So our answer is only ad hoc judge. Additional judge can't be appointed in the Supreme Court of India. Next, we go with eighth question. Which of the following central public sector enterprises does not fall under the category of Maharatna, listed January 2020 by the Department of Public Enterprises, Government of India? So our answer is Oil India Limited. Next, the Committee on Financial Sector Assessment is co-chaired by whom? And our correct answer is Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India and Finance Secretary, Government of India. ये दोनों जो हैं इसके चेयरमैन होते हैं किसके? कमिटी ऑन फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर असेसमेंट. Next question is, on which date the Ombudsman scheme for the non-banking financial companies 2018 was effectively introduced by Reserve Bank of India? And our answer is 23rd February 2018. The question is, in February 2021, which neighbor country faced a coup? And our answer is Myanmar. Next, where does headquarters of the International Olympic Committee is situated? Answer is Lausanne. Who is the first Indian woman to win an individual Olympic medal? Answer is Karnam Maleshwari. That is A. 14th, which is the highest award given by Madhya Pradesh government to sports coaches mentioned below? And our answer is Vishwamitra Award. That is D. Our next question, 15th question. Madhya Pradesh Archery Academy, established by the Department of Sports and Youth Welfare, is situated in? Answer is C. Jabalpur. Next, here we go with the 16th question. Consider the following statement. It shall be the duty of the Comptroller and Auditor General to audit all receipts which are payable into the Consolidated Fund of India. Second statement says that जो CAG है, he shall have authority to audit and report on the accounts of stores or stock kept in any office or department of the union or a state. So our right answer is B. That is, both are correct. CAG जो है जो कंसोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया की रिसिप्ट्स होती हैं उनको भी ऑडिट करता है, या फिर यूनियन हो चाहे स्टेट हो उनके जो अकाउंट्स होते हैं स्टोर्स और स्टॉक के उसको भी ऑडिट करता है. So our both statements are correct. Next is, who was the first vice chairman of Niti Aayog? Niti Aayog is very important for any competitive exam. So who was the first vice chairman of Niti Aayog? 17th question. Answer is Arvind Panghadiya. 18th question is, who is not included in the committee to recommend name from the appointment of chairperson and members of State Human Rights Commission? आंसर इज डी, गवर्नर. एंड आपने सिलेबस देखा होगा कि उसके अंदर 8 to 10 कमीशंस दिए हुए हैं. बाय नेम इट इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन्ड. ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कमीशंस हैं, नॉन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कमीशंस भी है. यू शुड प्रिपेयर द नोट्स ऑफ दीज. 19th, within how many days an appeal can be made by an aggrieved person by decision of the National Green Tribunal to the Supreme Court? Answer is D, 90 days. Under which law the State Food Commission is established? I have already told you that some state commissions, constitutional commissions, non-constitutional bodies, some bodies are very important in MPPSC, exclusively mentioned in the syllabus. So State Food Commission was established under National Food Security Act 2013. 21st question. Who was the original founder of Bhopal state? And answer is A, Dost Muhammad Khan. Next, where was the capital of Raja Veer Singh Dev? Answer is Gahora. Next, who said that victory of Mandu was the key victory of South? Answer is Amir Khusro. Next, Bhimbetka was discovered by, very important, answer is Dr. Vishnudhar Vakankar. Next, 25th, which is the most common tribe in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is C, Bhil. Bhil is the most common tribe in Madhya Pradesh. Next is, we have to match this. First is steppes. Steppes is called in Russia. Second, prairies. Prairies is called in USA. Then velds. Velds is called in South Africa. Then downs. Downs is called in Australia. D का 4. So A का 3, B का 1, C का 2 and D का 4. It is in C option. Next, which one of the following states has the maximum area under teak forest in India? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. 28th, which one of the following is not? Very important, ये keyword को देखना, not correctly matched. Answer is Chandoli National Park in Gujarat. It is not correct. So tell me in the comment box where Chandoli National Park is situated. Next is, which is known as the storehouse of Indian minerals? Answer is A, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next हमें assertion reasoning का question given है. First is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh are major wheat producing states of India. And reason is given, the well drained fertile soil, 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius temperature during winter and about 75 centimeter annual average rainfall are necessary for wheat production. So is it the reason for this assertion? सबसे पहले तो हमें यही देखना है कि क्या assertion correct है, उसके बाद हमें reasoning बतानी है. So yes, ये assertion भी correct है और इसकी reasoning भी correct है. So our answer will be A. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next is 31st question. Padam Shri Bhuri Bai is famous for. Answer is A, painting. Kailash Satyarthi born in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is D, Vidisha. Next, 33. 750 megawatt solar power plant is situated in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is B, Rewa. Next, Phonpui National Park in Mizoram is also known as which of the following? Answer is Blue Mountain Park. Very important. Next, in February 2021, Prime Minister inaugurates which centenary celebration? And we all know this, Chori Chora centenary celebration. In 2021, it completes its 100 years. Statements given है, हमें बताने कौन सी correct है और कौन सी नहीं है. First is, Chief Election Commissioner of the Election Commission of India is paid the salary equal to the salary of the Judge of the Supreme Court. Yes, correct. The term of Chief Election Commissioner of the Election Commission of India shall be for a period of 6 years from the date of assuming office or till the age of 65 years, whichever comes first. Yes, this statement is also correct. Next, an election commissioner may at any time by writing under his hand addressed to the Chief Election Commissioner resign his office. No, this statement is not correct. So our answer will be A. First and second statement are correct. Next, 37. Which list and entry of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution is related to election of the legislature of the state? However, this question is somewhere tough. इसका आंसर ए एंड सी कमीशन ने दोनों को करेक्ट माना है. लिस्ट 1 एंट्री 72 एंड लिस्ट 2 एंट्री 37. The Madhya Pradesh State Election Commission was constituted on, answer is A, 1st February 1994. You see, ये हमारा थर्ड या फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है जो कमीशन से पूछा गया है. एंड दीज कमीशंस आई एम time and again saying that it is exclusively mentioned in the syllabus. Joint State Public Service Commission may be established for 2 or more states. Again, question from the commissions. And our right answer is C, both A and B. That is, if respective states agree in this regard and Parliament appoints Joint State Public Service Commission by law. Next is, under which provision the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission has been constituted? Again, question from the commissions. And its answer is B, Section 118, Clause 3 of the States Reorganization Act 1956. Next is, what was the real name of national poet Bal Kavi Bairagi? And answer is D, 41 ka D, Nandara Das. Next, in which city of Madhya Pradesh the parikrama of 7 sea, 9 Narayans and 84 Mahadevas is completed? And our answer is D, Ujjain. 43. The poet of King Bhoj who accepted Jainism was? Answer is D, Dhanpal. Next, it was also ancient name of world famous tourist destination of Sanchi. 44th question. And answer is A, Kaknam. Next, what was the actual name of Tantya Bhil? Answer is Tantya and Tandara. Both are correct. 46th question. The characteristics features of genetic code are, 4 statements are given. We have to tell which statement is true. First, it is always universal. Yes. It is triplet of nucleotide spaces corresponding to 20 amino acids. Yes. It is non-overlapping, non-ambiguous. Yes. It has start and stop codon. Yes. So our answer will be D. All of the above are correct. Where is National Institute of Virology situated? Answer A, Pune. Next, the Task Force of Blue Economy for the Sustainable Development is a collaboration between India and which country? Answer is B, Norway. Next, 49th, the hybrid variety of mango developed from the cross of Neelam and Alfonso is Ratna, C. Next, what is the main aim of Janani Suraksha Yojana of National Health Mission? We all know, reducing maternal and neonatal mortality. 51. Indian nationalism in the middle of the 19th century was in embryonic stage. Was a historian with regard to the fact? Answer is A, Dr. R.C. Majumdar or Dr. S.N. Sen. इनसे related ये fact है. Next is, who was the correspondent of the newspaper Times, published from London in 1857, wrote that nobody in the North India looks at white man's car with friendly view? Answer is W.H. Russell. Next is, who speaks of India's self-reliant social system? The rural system in India is a tiny republic. Answer is Charles Metcalfe. Next is, how many states and union territories were established by the 1956 State Restructuring Act? Answer is A, 14 states, 6 union territories. Next question. When was the special rights and privy purse enjoyed by the Indian princely states abolished? आंसर इज डी 1971 के अंदर जो हमारे प्रिंसली स्टेट्स को प्राइवी पर्स और स्पेशल राइट्स दिए जाते थे उनको अबॉलिश कर दिया गया. कि कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने व्योम मित्रा इंडियन रोबोट को डेवलप किया है? आंसर इज बी, इसरो. नेक्स्ट इज, according to Gartner, 4-phase maturity model can be arranged in a sequence as information, then interaction, then transaction and then transformation. उसके बाद है सोशल नेटवर्क को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? आंसर इज ग्राफ एंड ट्री. एमपीपीएससी ने दोनों ही आंसर को करेक्ट माना है, ए एंड बी, दैट इज ग्राफ एंड ट्री. IPv6 protocol defines an IP address of 59, that is 128 bits. After that, 60, it is a method of making automatic predictions about the interest of a user by collecting preferences. Answer is D, collaborative filtering. उसके बाद है which of the following states recorded the lowest decadal growth rate of population according to the 2011 census? Answer is B, Nagaland. Next question है which of the following is not a raw material for fertilizer industry? Answer is caustic soda. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Mountain peak दिया हुआ है और continent दिया हुआ है. Kilimanjaro, yes, it is in Africa. Mount McKinley, yes, it is in North America. Elbrus, no, it is not in Asia. And D is also correct. So you have to tell me in the comment box that Elbrus is situated in which continent. So our answer will be C. 64th question. Economic activity या agricultural region हमें दिया हुआ है और हमें country से match करना है. First is commercial dairy farming. It is in Denmark. Second, commercial grain farming. It is in Argentina. Commercial plantation farming. C का 4, Malaysia. Commercial fruits production. D का 2nd, France. So A का 3, B का 1, C का 4 and D का 2. Answer is A. Which of the following states of India have the higher opportunities for the development of wind power? So 65th का आंसर है हमारा C, तमिलनाडु and Gujarat. Ashoka won the Avanti Mahajanpad and merged in the Mauryan Empire during Bindusar ruled. What text does it refer to? Answer is A, Samant Pastika of Buddha Ghosh. According to Chachnama, what was the capital of the Indus country in the 6th and 7th century? Answer is B, Arod. Next question, who is the creator of Mughal text Masir-e-Alamgiri? Answer is A, Saki Mustaid Khan. उसके बाद है Panhi और Upnaha. It is mentioned in the medieval Indian history. These words are related to what? Answer is shoes. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस लगभग हर बार एमपीपीएससी में पूछे जाते हैं जिसके अंदर मेडिवल हिस्ट्री से कोई ना कोई टर्म ली जाती है और पूछा जाता है कि इट इज कनेक्टेड टू या इट इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु फाउंडेड द आदि ब्रह्म समाज? आंसर इज देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Very important. Next, in which year the last election of the India legislature under the Government of India Act 1919 was held? Answer is 1945 की elections. After that, who was the first nominated deputy chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Frank Anthony. Which of the following expression is appropriate regarding the message to call joint sitting of both houses under Article 108 of the Constitution of India? Answer is A, intention of the President. Article 24 of the Constitution of India prohibits the employment of child in factories related to hazardous works. Such prohibition is absolute prohibition. Next is 75th. It is again from polity. Which of the following statement is correct regarding Article 368 of the Constitution of India? First statement is Article 368 को amend किया गया by 24th Constitution Amendment Act 1971. So this statement is correct. Next is Article 368 was amended by 101 Constitutional Amendment Act 2016. Yes, this statement is also correct. So our answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question is, who among the following governors of Madhya Pradesh has been the Chief Minister of Haryana? Initially जब एक क्वेश्चन आया था, I have told you that list of governors, list of prime ministers, chief ministers, president, chief election commissioners, these lists are very important for MPPSC. So our answer is D, Bhagwat Dayal Sharma. He was the governor of Madhya Pradesh who has been the chief minister of Haryana. Next is 77th. Which of the following chief ministers of Madhya Pradesh have not held the office of the leader of the opposition in Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Options are Digvijay Singh, Motilal Vora, Virendra Kumar Saklecha and Shyam Charan Shukla. And our answer is Digvijay Singh or Motilal Vora. Now 78th question. Select the correct order of proceedings of Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly. First, mention of death, governor. So we have to set these in order, in correct order of proceedings of Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Firstly, oath or affirmation, that is third. And first step is given in answer is B. Third is given in B. So 78th का answer है हमारा B. That is oath and affirmation. After that, governor's address. After that, introduction of ministers. And then mention of death. 79th question. Who among the following Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court has not been the judge at Supreme Court of India? And an answer is S.K. Jha. The provision of reservation of seats for the scheduled tribes in municipalities in Madhya Pradesh has been made under which of the following articles of the Constitution of India? And answer is 243T subclause 1. What percentage of total forest area of Madhya Pradesh teak trees are found? Answer is B, about 20%. Next, Betwa river originate from? Answer is C, Vindhya Hills. Next, in which part of Madhya Pradesh annual variation in temperature is maximum? Answer is northern part. Next, 84th, average temperature increases in summer in Madhya Pradesh. Answer is C, from south to north. 85th question, non-metallic mineral is? Answer is A, marble, because manganese, silver, lead, these all are metallic mineral. After that, 86th, there are how many pairs of cranial nerves in human? Answer is B. 87th question, the pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is, we all know, always upright. After that, 88th question, MSG, that is monosodium glutamate in food is used as? कमीशन ने दोनों आंसर सही माने हैं, फ्लेवर एनहांसर और प्रिजर्वर. MSG is both. Next, 89th question, the Disaster Management Act was made in 2005. This was in news from last 2 years. Which of the following disease is related to coronavirus? Answer is D, all of the above. MERS, SARS, COVID-19, all three are related to coronavirus. 91st question, which is not a type of secondary memory? Solid state drive, hard disk, RAM, USB pen drive. And our answer is C, RAM. It is not secondary memory. Next question is 92nd question. What is XML stands for? And our answer is B, extensible markup language. 93rd question. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves having frequencies in range of? Answer is C, 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. 94th question. Blowfish is a type of symmetric encryption algorithm. Next question is, what does PUMA stands in context of robotics? Answer is Programmable Universal Machine for Assembly. 96th question. According to 2011 census, which district of Madhya Pradesh is having highest sex ratio? Answer is B part, Balaghat. Growth rate in crop sector of Madhya Pradesh for the year 2016-17 is 34.14%. After that, which of the following mineral is only found in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is C, diamond. Next question, in which city Madhya Pradesh Tribal Museum is situated? Answer is Bhopal. Last question, Akanksha scheme is related to? And answer is A, coaching for scheduled tribe students for competitive examination. So this is all about 2020 MPPSC prelims question paper we have discussed so far. इसकी आंसर की आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में शेयर कर दी जाएगी. And secondly, we will come up with a strategy video on MPPSC prelims soon. And for further videos, please subscribe to the channel and connect with us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks from Tapsthali Mentors.